Hi, welcome to Sue Marie P. Today I'm going to make homemade granola. So I've got inspiration from a Spelt cookbook for Farmhouse Granola, but I don't have all the ingredients that they've got. So I'm going to show you how I swap it out. Step one, they use Spelt porridge flakes, which I don't have. So I've got regular rolled oats. So that's 250 grams or 2.5 cups. And into that we've got 55 grams of sunflower seeds. So we're going to pop all the dry ingredients together first. 55 grams of pumpkin seeds, almonds, or you can do whatever nuts you like. We've got some fruit here, but that goes in right at the end after we toast it. So we're going to stir all the dry ingredients together. So we'll set that to one side. Then next step, we need to grab one of these bowls back. So this recipe says clear honey. I'm going to do it so we don't have honey in it. I'm going to try and be healthy this month, and I'm using brown rice syrup because it's a low carb sweetener and it's also vegan friendly. Not that I'm vegan, but I'm just trying to show you a different way of doing it. Let me just grab something to scoop all that out. It's all got stuck. My trusty little spatula. So I realised that I have no breakfast cereal in the cupboard, and I thought I could go to the shops and buy some more cereal or granola, or I could try making my own. When I've made it before, I've always used oil, regular oil and maple syrup, but I wanted to make it a little bit healthy this time. So I don't have any sunflower oil here, and instead of sunflower oil, I'm going to use coconut oil. So I've got 2 tablespoons of coconut oil that I've melted. I'm just going to add that in there as well. And the recipe says 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So I've got the vanilla here. Whoops, just getting that out of the way. And we need to add a pinch of salt. So let's grab some salt. Pinch of salt. Stir all that together. And just on standby here, I've got a baking tray all ready to go. So grab all of our dry ingredients back. Let's pour all of this liquid on there. And get that little spatula back again. I love the challenge of using what I've got in the house and not always relying on running to the shops. And I find that just makes me more creative. Okay, this may go differently than what they say because I'm using a different oil, but I think the coconut oil will give it a really nice flavour. And if you wanted to, you could put coconut flakes in after we toast it as well, but I don't have any here. So let's get this on the tray. Oh, and I've preheated my oven on 150 degrees. So it's just a really low oven. Actually, it says 140. What have I got it on? I've got it on 140, so that's all right. So I'm just going to spread out this granola, or these oats. And it says we need to bake it for 10 and then give it a stir. So let's grab this off. All right, let's toss it in the oven. Toss it. We'll pop it in the oven and set the timer for 10 minutes. I'm going to clean up. The 10-minute timer went off, so I need to grab it out and toss it around a little bit. I can smell the coconut oil. Now we need to bake it for another 20 minutes. Pop the timer on. So the granola's out of the oven and we're going to leave it cool. And I'm just going to toss some sultanas. So there's just, I'm just doing 55 grams of sultanas. You can do more or less, or you can do cranberries or chopped dates or figs. But I'm just going to leave it like that and let it cool, and then it's ready for breakfast tomorrow. And you can store it in a sealed container. So let me just show you. That's my homemade granola ready for breakfast. I'll come a bit closer. So there you have it, my homemade granola with coconut oil and brown rice syrup. So no refined sugar, no nasty oils. So give this a go at home and let me know what you think of it. and pop a thumbs up if you've liked my video. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here today. And I'll pop some links up above for a few other breakfast ideas. My banana bread is amazing. Not as healthy as this, but it's still really good. Okay, I'll see you next time. And thank you for watching. Bye. If I can wave. See ya. Bye.